Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I am going to unbox two of my Scentsy clubs, my monthly and my bi-monthly. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So if you don't know what a Scentsy Club is, it's a subscription that you set up on my website, and you can put in whatever consumable products you want, whether it's air purifier filters, light bulbs, washer whiffs, your laundry, your body, your clean stuff, your wax, anything that needs to be replaced, light bulbs, and you decide how many you want and how often you want to get it. You can either get it monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly, and you can have one of each club, which is fantastic. And once your subscription reaches $30, you get 10% off. So you already get 10% off, right? Off stuff you're already buying. And once it reaches $60, you get a half off item plus the 10% off, which is fantastic. Another thing that I love, a really great perk, my favorite perk is always get my bar. So when we release any scents, whether it be a collection, a limited time only type thing, or just our catalog items, and you're like, okay, I cannot live without that bar, they'll make it when it's no longer available just for you. And that is pretty much my entire Scentsy Club. So we're going to start with that first. Okay, so let's go ahead. This was a Bring Back My Bar. It's green tea smoothie. I love it. I use it in my bedroom. For me, it's such a beautiful scent. Ooh. Oh, it's beautiful. Ah, I love this one. Okay, so that's one. Flirtatious was also part of that Bring Back My Bar series. It's such a girly scent. This is another scent that I use in my bedroom. Then I'm going to do this one. I bought two. I always get two of these. And it was from the same exact Bring Back My Bar series. And oh my God, this one is so good. Pear Blossom and Cucumber. Delicious. It reminds me of the cucumber melon from the 80s. So good. Like, cue the baby blue eyeshadow. Like, it's just so good. All right. The next one I'm going to go through. All right. We'll do Pink Coconut, which was a, this was a scent of the month. Absolutely phenomenal. I get two of those. I love this. I use this in my bedroom as well. The next one is Starburst Sky, which was part of our Valentine's Day, I believe. Oh, it's so good. I get two of those as well, and that's another bedroom scent. We'll do all the bedroom scents first. Okay, the next one was Valentine's, I believe, last year, and it's it's called It's Love, and it's absolutely delicious. Oh, I had this in there just the other day. I changed it to that, oh gosh, Blue Coconut Beach, which is one of our not Valentine's, Mother's Day scents. It's so good. But I had this in there before. Oh, I love it. These are my favorite bars. That's why I love having a Scentsy Club, because all of your favorites, you get access to them, which is fantastic. The next one is from the Catching Z's collection, and it's Shut Eye, and you guys, phenomenal. You guys need to set up a Scentsy Club. If you need help, let me know. I'll walk you through it. But you need a Scentsy Club so that you can get your most favorite scents. All right, the next one I'll do is my bathroom scent. I love this one. I've been also using the Easter collection, which is going to be going away. So I'm lucky I get mine because I put a couple in there. Coconut cotton. Oh, you guys, this is my staple for the summer. Phenomenal. It is so good. This was a bring back my bar, and I made sure to add it to my club because I love this scent for my bathroom. Okay, the next three are all living room scents for me. This is what's going on in there right now. Toasted marshmallow. Absolutely delish. Oh. Oh, I love that scent. Sorry, I'm having a moment. I love this scent. Toasted marshmallow. Love it. All right, the next one I had in there prior, and it's Blueberry Burst. And this was a Easter collection from last year, and I love it. I bought a ton of the pods as well. So in my air purifier, I have the pods going, and then this. You guys, why do we not have smell-o-vision? I have the best Scentsy clubs. I'm sorry. I do. All right, another of my favorites is Cherry Almond Pie, and that also goes in my living room. So delish. Okay, then this is my kitchen scent. I haven't been able to put anything else in there. I'm so in love with this scent. It's ridiculous, and it's hazelnut latte. It's just so perfect. It's so good. And I get 4 of these. Oh, it's so good. So I get 4 hazelnut lattes. That was also part of that last Bring Back My Bar. Okay, so that's all of the bars I get for my monthly. Now, I also get I get a pack of the cotton cleanups because I go through these like cray-cray. So I always get a pack of my cotton cleanups. And then my half-priced item, because remember, once you go over $60, you get a half-price item. I get my air purifier filter, which is a $35 filter, and I get it half off. So, hello, saving money on something I'm already going to buy. That's what's amazing about Scentsy Club. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do my bi-monthly, which I had whittled down because I have a ton in my quarterly and a ton in my monthly. So my bi-monthly is Lemon Coconut Chiffon, which will be going in my kitchen. This, to me, is a kitchen scent. Ooh, it's so good. I just haven't been able to put down and back away from the hazelnut latte. This is phenomenal. I'm going to have to do this next because it's so good. It's so good. All right. This one is from our, it was a scent of the month last fall. And I was like, oh my God, if they don't put it in the catalog next fall, I'm going to be so sad, which is the great thing about always get my bar with Scentsy Club, and it's Gimme Candy. I don't really like to eat candy corn, but I like the smell of it. And that's what this smells like. You guys, oh my gosh, so good. The next one is, was a Bring Back My Bar, and it's Cutie Pie Cupcake. That's a great bakery scent. Whew, so good. All right, the next one, Hazelnut Latte. I threw it in there. And then this one is Thank You Very Much, which was part of a Bring Back My Bar. It's very berry. I mean, this is a great bar. If you like berry, whoo, so good. Okay, so that is my monthly and my quarterly Scentsy Clubs. I got good Scentsy Clubs. Let me know what you think. Are any of these your favorites? Do you need help setting up a Scentsy Club? Let me know. I will walk you through it. What's in your Scentsy Club? Tell me. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.